Hey everyone, welcome back to FixLab Pro. Is your app freezing, not responding, or crashing on Windows 10 or 11? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix apps not responding or crashing so you can get back to work smoothly. So, without any delay, let's start the video. First, if an app is stuck, try closing it properly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find the app in the list, right-click it, and select End Task. Then, reopen the app to see if it works. Sometimes, crashes happen because the app itself is outdated. Open Microsoft Store, then go to Downloads, and click Check for updates. Then click on Update All to update all apps. If it's a third-party app, check the developer's website for the latest version. Outdated Windows versions can also cause app crashes. For this, first go to Settings. Then click on Windows Update. Then click on Resume Updates. This will check all the updates and install all pending updates. Then restart your PC. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter. First go to Settings. Then click on System. Here click on Troubleshoot and click on Other Troubleshoots. Here run the program Compatibility Troubleshooter. It finds and fixes problems automatically in your PC. Corrupted temporary files can make apps misbehave. To fix this, first press Windows plus R. Then type %temp% and press Enter. Select all and delete them. Don't worry, these are just temporary files. This will make your PC run faster. If the app still crashes, try repairing or resetting it. For this, go to Settings again. Then click on App. Here, click on Installed App. Select the app. Click Advanced Options. Then, go down a little and you will see the repair option. Click on it. If that doesn't work, use Reset to restore it to default. As a result, your app will not crash again. Sometimes Windows system files cause the problem. To fix this, click on your Windows search option and search for Command Prompt. Then click on Run as Administrator and click Yes. Here, type sfc/scannow. Press Enter. This will scan and repair corrupted files. If nothing else works, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the Microsoft Store or the official website. This usually solves most problems. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix apps not responding or crashing on Windows 10 and 11. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like it. You can comment on any problem you have. Thanks for watching.